Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Jakeira G, and if you're a returning viewer, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line, and I'm basically going to be washing my hair, conditioning it, and then doing a twist out with a few products. And I'm just going to show you guys that process and then give you a little review on how I feel about these products at the end. So let's get into it. So first I wanted to show you all how my hair looked before I washed it, and it was extremely dry. And now I'm showing you how it looked after I washed it using the moisturizing dry defense shampoo. And so far my hair feels pretty good and it's soft. Next, I'm using the moisturizing dry defense conditioner to deep condition my hair. Now, this is not a leave-in conditioner, so I can't leave it in for a long time. Neither is it a deep conditioner, but since I have low porosity hair and it's super hard for my hair to retain moisture, I'm going to deep condition my hair anyway with this product. So as you can see, I'm just adding more water to my hair because it gets dry super fast, like I mentioned earlier, and your hair needs to be saturated with water as you condition it. And I'm just going to do that for every section of my hair before applying the product. Now, I will say I did have a harder time getting the conditioner out because of the thickness of the product and the type of bottle it was in. But other than that, I really didn't have any other problems with it. And I did end up having to saturate my hair a little more, as you saw before. And now I'm detangling my hair with my Denman brush, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to use the twist out method to deep condition my hair because I feel like that way I can make sure that conditioner is getting into every section. And it also trains my hair to curl more into the twist out method. So basically, as you saw for my twist out method, I just make sure that my hair is saturated, the conditioner is on there as much as possible, and then I'm just going to twist my hair into little sections. I usually do 4 for the deep conditioning, since it's not really, it's not like a twist out, so I'm not going to really do all of that for that. And I put a plastic cap over it and call it a day. And this is how my hair looked after I deep conditioned it for about 30 minutes. As you can see, the twist out gave it a little more definition. Now I'm going to be doing my actual twist out using the Not Away Leave-In Detangler and the Curl Activator. And I'm just going to be applying that by basically putting both products in my hand and rubbing it together and putting it throughout my hair. As I'm finishing up these last two twists, I will say that both the leave-in detangler and the curl activator seem to be meshing well, and as I'm rubbing them together in my hands and applying them on my hair, they're really seeping into my hair without feeling or looking cakey, which is a plus. Alright, so here's the moment you all have been waiting for, my final twist out results. And as you can see, they're fairly dry and bouncy. And I'm just going to rub some Jamaican black castor oil in my hands and unravel these twists. And you all are about to see the final result. Okay, hi guys, so I'm back and here's the results of the Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line. And as you can see, they are pretty decent. I really like it. At first with the the curl activator and the detangler, the leave-in detangler, I saw a little bit of residue after I did my twist out with them and let them sit for like a few hours. But I think it's just more so of a, like, you have to fully let it dry so you won't see any, like, you know, major residue. But, you know, I'm pretty satisfied other than that. The shampoo, it did pretty okay. It wasn't anything, I don't know, I don't find anything significant about shampoos really. They all basically have done the same thing for my hair. But I will say this shampoo didn't make my hair feel dry, so that is a plus. So like I said, it didn't even really make a difference. It smelled pretty good. This whole line has the same smell. It's like a soft, I don't know, like it's a really subtle smell. It isn't overpowering like usually Creme of Nature's OG line. I will say they have that really good argan smell that I like. It's kind of like a cologne scent and it's amazing. But I'll say this is way more toned down, but it's still a scent that I like. So that's a plus on the scent too. Now the conditioner, I did try to deep condition, even though it says like, you know, you're only supposed to leave this in your hair up to 5 minutes. I have low porosity hair, so we're just gonna try to deep condition every chance we get here. So that's what I did, and the results were also decent. It did leave my hair soft and moisturized, I will say that. And I don't know if you can see, but the product amount was right here. For some reason, they don't fill their products all the way up. Like, I had to check if somebody used my bottle because I don't think they come sealed. I don't know. Like, I freaked out because I looked at all the bottles. I got them in Walmart and I didn't see a seal. So that was like a no-no for me. But all of the bottles pretty much came to this little amount, if you can see it right here. So like I said, the shampoo and conditioner, I didn't really have a problem with it. It was pretty okay. So I also did something kind of different, and that is I used the Knot Away leave-in detangler with the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. And I say it's kind of different because I kind of wish I would have used these products by themselves. Both of the products require, like, after you use the shampoo and conditioner, you're supposed to apply it on your hair. But they really do different things too. Like, this one is supposed to detangle your hair, so it works, I guess, against curls. I don't know. Looking at it. Yeah, I mean, basically, I guess I was experimenting. I mean, it didn't come out bad, but I would want to see, like, I don't know, I would want to see them on their own with freshly washed and conditioned hair is what I'm trying to say. But what else? I was going to say something else. What was I going to say? I was going to say something else. Oh, yes. So, I don't know also why I want to try them different. I will say that my hair was very moisturized and it didn't dry out fast, and I was honestly like that, but I guess in the sense of a twist out, that kind of is good and bad, because for a twist out you want your hair to be extremely dry, but this did take a fairly long amount of time for my hair to dry. So yeah, I just want to see which product really contributed to the intense moisture. And I think it's, I don't know, like, as soon as I see leave-in, I really think it's this product, the Detangler. I don't know, because that's why I also got it, because the curl activator, usually I know that, like, curl activators kind of serves as gels, and they kind of make your hair really dry and crunchy. And so I just wanted to see if anything else from their line would kind of aid to that. So that's why I did also mix the Detangler. But yeah, so I think the Detangler had the moisture. Both of them, I mean, this wasn't really a dry product. It was actually like thicker than I thought it would be for a curly cream. But yeah, I would rate these maybe like 8 out of 10. I don't know, I have to try it a few more times. This is my first time trying it, so the more I try it, I think the more my hair will kind of get in the groove of being used to these products applied to it. So it's pretty good so far, no complaints. So yeah, for me, the Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line was pretty good. I didn't have any problems with it, so that about concludes my review for it. And like I said, I would give actually all the products a 8 out of 10. So there it is. Thanks so much for tuning in to my Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line product review. And if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, or even subscribe. And hopefully I get to see you next time around. But until then, bye.